Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you accidentally closed tabs in your Google Chrome, you can easily restore them. To restore a group of tabs, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and here select the history option, which is between passwords and downloads. Under the recent tabs option, you'll see your most recent browsing session. To restore it, you can go ahead and enter Ctrl+Shift+T on your keyboard as much as you like to restore the tabs that you closed recently. And each time you use this shortcut, Chrome reopens the last closed tab and you can press it multiple times to restore more tabs. If you still can't find a tab, you can click on the three-dot menu, then go to the history option, then check the recent tabs right here. And if it's still not there, open the full history page to browse your past websites and reopen the ones you need. These are the quickest way to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.